How to place a trade on MT4. So first thing first, let's open the MetaTrader 4 app, and now you can see there is a lots of option in here to trade. So if you don't have any symbols that you want, then you can see there is plus icon at the bottom right corner. Just tap on it and you can search it, or you can also see the forex folder and forex.wt. So let me get back and let me choose any of them. So let me choose USD JPY for now. So once you tap on it, you can see there is trade options on in the screen. So once you tap on it, you can see there is sell and buy option. So you can select any of them. If you want to sell short, then you can simply tap on sell, and if you want to buy long, then simply tap on buy. So let me tap on any of them. So let me tap on buy, and once you tap on it, you can see trade has been already taken. So basically this is how, and this is the process to place your trade on MT4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.